Equatorial, how much you will say that 200 plus centimeter rainfall. And in the Rajasthan का एक map बनाओगे, you have to create the map of India, and in which you have to show Rajasthan region and the three states. Which are the three states? Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. And thereafter you have to, जब आप दिखाओगे तो उत्तराखंड उसके साथ एक और फिगर बनाना है. What, which mechanism? Clear है? One atmospheric circulation mechanism developed. Clear? So that, then the examiner can understand what you want to say, and the better marks you can be able to get. Understood it? Now the next one is a cyclonic rainfall. Clear? The two types of cyclones are there. One is a tropical cyclone and another is, I said, that temperate cyclone. Clear? And a tropical cyclone moves from the, I said, that east to west. And so when it is moving from east to west, so it is striking the eastern coast of the continent. But it is not necessary. They follow the pressure gradient. जहाँ पे भी उसको pressure मिल गया, they can follow any direction. But the general direction is what? East to west. Understood? So one tropical cyclonic rainfall in which region? Tropical and subtropical regions. Yes, tropical cyclonic rainfall in which region? Tropical and clear. And temperate cyclone is moving from west to east. It is moving from temperate cyclone move कैसे करता है? West to east. और उसको कौन carry करता है? Polar front direction. Who carries? Who carries? Polar front direction. So when they carry, they are bringing it toward this side, and therefore the western coast of Europe and western coast of North America, they are getting a rainfall. Which are the reason I said that? So which rainfall is good? Tropical cyclone rainfall is good or temperate cyclone rainfall is good? Huh? Why not tropical cyclone rainfall is good? It causes coastal region with flood, yes or no, and devastation. ठीक है? लेकिन जब मैं आऊँगा तो और भी. So there is one cyclonic rainfall is tropical cyclone rainfall, another is temperate cyclone. So if I say that mid latitude country, better to say what? Subpolar low pressure belt. Where did I say that? Subpolar low pressure belt, or better to say mid latitude countries, they are getting rainfall through temperate cyclone. They are getting rainfall through mid latitude countries are getting rainfall through temperate cyclone in the bracket 150 to 200 centimeter rainfall. Understood it? So cyclonic rainfall, tropical cyclone fix नहीं है कितना rainfall करेगा, ठीक है? It is not. So temperate cyclone, it is in a what? It's in a rainfall distribution region in a large in the latitudinal zone, but latitude नहीं करता है, वो कहता है specific region में जाता है, and then doing in a beyond the intensity. It can be 400 centimeter in a day itself, लेकिन वो count नहीं करते हैं कि वो specific region के लिए होता है. It is not in a fixed. So we are not counting the how much rainfall they are counting, doing it. So one tropical cyclonic rainfall, another is in a which one? Frontal. And अब next आ गया हमारा distribution of rainfall in the world. Heavy rainfall, moderate rainfall, another I said that less rainfall. Three distribution, or you have to write it into 200 words. Heavy rainfall का मतलब ही है 200 plus. Heavy rainfall means in the world where it is 200 plus. Equatorial, Western Ghat, northeast of India, जहाँ जहाँ आपको पता है that you just notify it. ठीक है, आपका काम है. अब आप धीरे धीरे जैसे मानसून में करते जाएंगे, then you can understand. Moderate it is from, you can take it from 50 to 200 centimeter. But some of the books also mention 25 to 200. that is okay, but better to take 50 to 200 centimeter rainfall. Understood? Clear? This is which one I said that? Moderate rainfall. So mid latitude में front जो कर रहा है temperate cyclone, it is 150 to 200. It will come also. The most of the India it will come under this region. Yes or not? Most of the world it will come into this region. And the less rainfall, I said that less than 50. So it means what? Arid region. And then arid region means less than 30 centimeter. And then the another region is semi-arid. And it means 30 to 60 centimeter rainfall को बोलते हैं semi-arid. And the less than 30. So the deserts, these are what? Deserts of the world. And 30 to 60 rainfall, it is known as the savanna region of the world. Savanna, tropical grasslands. Clear? समझ में आ गया how to distribute it? So distribution of rainfall in the world. And जब आप distribution बताओगे this much is happening, little bit we have to very careful that how it is happening. तो वहाँ पर आपको लिखना होगा convectional and all then orographic or cyclonic. Understood it? समझ में आ चुका है? So this is about I said that types of rainfall, and then I said that clear distribution of rainfall. So कुछ टॉपिक्स जो हैं वो आपका कल आपकी क्लास लंबी चलेगी. ओके, सो यू हैव टू कम हियर प्रिपेयर्ड, क्योंकि हम लोग जो टॉपिक फिनिश करेंगे वो रहेगा आपका टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन्स. इट विल टेक हाफ एन आवर अराउंड. अनदर विल बी I said air mass concept, and thereafter factors influencing the climate of the world. Which are I said that temperature inversion, air mass, factors influencing the climate of the world. Then I will start with the temperate cyclone. तो ये आपका यहाँ पर फिनिश होगा. देन मंडे क्लास, संडे को नहीं होगा, मंडे क्लास विल हैव आई सेड आपकी जो मंडे की क्लास में होगी क्या होगा, ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन, एंड देन आई विल कम फॉर द क्लासिफिकेशंस ऑफ द क्लाइमेट. एंड ट्यूसडे को फाइनली विल, वो तो टेम्परेट साइक्लोन के साथ ही जेट स्ट्रीम खत्म होगा. सब ट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम तो बता दिया है ना मैंने. और इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ सब ट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम, जब मैं कल फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, इसका फर्स्ट फैक्टर ही मैं बताता हूँ जेट स्ट्रीम. और ये जेट स्ट्रीम ही जब एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ तो वहाँ पे सब ट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम का फॉर्मेशन तो पता है आपको. आई सेड इन द व्हाट आई सेड दैट बिटवीन 5 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 5 डिग्री साउथ देयर इज एन, आई सेड थ्रू आउट द ईयर द सन रेज आर फॉलिंग, सन इंसुलेशन इज फॉलिंग vertical or near to the vertical, and then they started warm air and warm air rises upward, and when it is moving upward they started, what is I said that above the equator they find very high pressure gradient with respect to the upper atmosphere above the pole. Then they started moving with the high pressure, high velocity, high speed towards the poles, but by reaching 25 to 35 degree they started deflecting towards right, and left in the southern hemisphere become parallel to the isobar, and that is known as a subtropical जेट स्ट्रीम. कल आप सब ट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम का देखेंगे. जब फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंसिंग, हमने क्या बोला, फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द क्लाइमेट, तो मैं कल आपको बताऊंगा कि सब ट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम इज हाउ अफेक्टिंग द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया एंड हाउ इट इज अफेक्टिंग द क्लाइमेट ऑफ वर्ल्ड. तो वहाँ पर आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा सब ट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम. देयर आफ्टर आई से नेक्स्ट इट विल बी, फिर आपका चलेगा नहीं, फिर उसके बाद आपका दूसरे फैक्टर्स होंगे उसको कंप्लीट करेंगे. फिर आई विल कम ऑन टू द टेम्परेट साइक्लोन, तो वो सारी चीज़ें कंप्लीट होंगी. उसके बाद ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन, और पर्स जो मंडे को चलेगा ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन एंड मानसून, एंड द लास्ट डे क्लासिफिकेशन. monsoon, Indian monsoon. Clear? What is El Nino? El Nino is in a warm ocean current. So do not think that I'll teach you in climate. ये आपका oceanography का. Understood it? So when there is an ocean current class will be there in the oceanography from the 2nd of August. 1st of August का आपका climate phase होगा. In that classes में El Nino, La Nina and Indian Ocean dipole. Those things will be covered. Clear? So हम लोग मानसून में इसलिए इसको पढ़ते हैं क्योंकि दे आर अफेक्टिंग द व्हाट मानसून ऑफ इंडिया. एंड जब मानसून पढ़ाऊंगा उस समय एक और जेट स्ट्रीम कवर होगा. दैट इज आई सेड दैट ट्रॉपिकल स्टर्ली जेट स्ट्रीम और फिंडर जेट स्ट्रीम. तो कुछ ऐसे जेट स्ट्रीम मानसून के समय कवर किए जाएंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो रिवीजन में रखे.